Okay, this is our BSS software, and I just automate. You can see here some functional areas for the software, and you have to know this is a battery simulator. Battery simulator, okay? We can use the ITECH 6000C or B series with this BSS software to emulate a real battery. So you can see here is some basic specifications for a real battery. Some the 412 voltage inner resistance. These are the basic specifications for a real battery. And here this is okay. Let's from this part. Okay, we can see there are five curves. So we can set different curves and set to the memory. And for the first curve, you can see we have 9 battery models. Yes, this is BSS Pro, not the BSS single software. So we can see 9 curves in this software. And if you buy the BSS2000, you just have these 2 curves. Okay, and here we can set some values to define a real battery.
Actually, this is an advantage for ITECH battery simulator. For many other brands, like the competitors, we do not have so many battery type for choosing. For ITECH, we have this built in, so customer can directly call it and use. There's no need for them to program further, because different batteries may have different features. So it will be much more convenient.
Okay, if I set this kind of specifications, I can click this one, and there is a preview curves for this battery. So, and we can try to run the output. Okay, you can see there is a preview output curve, a battery curve, and here this is the measuring voltage and current. You can see the voltage and the current with the running time, and here this is the measurement, the real output voltage, current, power, capacity, and here this is the SOC values. They all are used to simulate a real battery specifications. Okay, and
这个呢，这个也是那个特别难搞混淆的，这个是表示电池是属于给其他东西去充电。
Okay, you can see we just test in a charge mode, right? Charge mode. If I switch to the discharge, then we emulate a discharging battery. So that's the contrary testing. Okay.
Here, the charge and discharge means the battery is to charge on the others. If it's discharged, the battery is to be discharged.
就是电池去就模拟电池，不要给它闭。然后后面就给它做一个放电池。
Okay, another function here you can see there is a turbo mode. Sometimes if the customer don't need a regular battery curve, they want to define arbitrary curves. They can import CSV files. So they can edit the files on their PC and import to the software. Then the digital supply can output as they set. And also we can export the current working curve to the PC. So they can edit based on these files. Okay, here we can see there is a record. So we can set the testing data and analyze further. And here there are some other menus like clear the error, clear the test information, and report. We can check all testing report and other settings. For example, there is a slew rate. This is a slew rate for the falling output. Sometimes some customer don't want the voltage dropped quickly, so they can set the slew rate for the voltage. So the voltage will be dropped very slowly. And here other functions menus, we can check what errors are happened during the testing, and about we can check the version, software version. Okay, this is the main features for this software.